Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of In Conversation by Advisor Coach. आज इन कॉन्वर्सेशन में हमारे साथ फिर से जुड़ी है मिस अपर्णा शंकर, CIO इक्विटीज विद द वेल्थ कंपनी म्यूचुअल फंड. अपर्णा जी, once again a very very warm welcome to you in this podcast.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड इट्स रियली प्लेजर फॉर मी टू आपके साथ बात करने में मजा आता है। इन्वेस्टर के साथ बात करने में और मजा आता है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. So अपर्णा जी, वेल्थ कंपनी म्यूचुअल फंड has launched their new fund, the multi cap fund, the wealth company multi cap fund, 27 अगस्त से and closing on 10th of September.
करेक्ट।
मल्टी कैप फंड के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए कि व्हाट इज सो डिफरेंट अबाउट द वेल्थ कंपनी मल्टी कैप फंड, एंड फंड में आप क्या क्या करने वाले हैं.
पहले हम मल्टी कैप कैटेगरी के बारे में थोड़ी बात करते हैं।
हाँ.
वैसे मल्टी कैप फंड इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर कैटेगरी
हम्म.
एंड शायद वो पॉपुलर इसलिए होती है कि परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा होता है। हैप्पी इन्वेस्टर्स, देर आर मोर हैप्पी इन्वेस्टर्स
हम्म.
एंड
हम्म.
दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स द कैटेगरी पॉपुलर. So, as per the SEBI guidelines, multi-cap fund has to invest into minimum 25% into large cap, minimum 25% into mid cap, and minimum 25% into small cap. अभी large cap, mid cap, small cap category क्या है शायद हम सबको पता है. Top 100 stocks by market cap are called as large cap, next 150 mid cap, and then the whole universe from 250
हम्म.
first company to the 5,000 plus company is, for us at least, it's a small cap.
हम्म.
So
हम्म.
uh, so that's the thing. There is a little higher discipline in asset allocation across market cap
हम्म.
than the flexi cap fund.
हम्म.
And जो balance of 25% बचता है, then the fund manager has a discretion to invest across, depending upon his outlook about any category or any stock or any sector. He or she invest across the different market caps. So broadly it's 20, मतलब 75% तो डिफाइंड है, 25% का डिस्क्रिशन है. फ्लेक्सी कैप में पूरा ही डिस्क्रिशन है, 100% इज अ डिस्क्रिशन विद द फंड मैनेजर. सो वहाँ पे जो आउटकम होता है शायद इन्वेस्टर्स के थॉट प्रोसेस के हिसाब से या उनके एक्सपेक्टेशन के हिसाब से ना हो, बट एटलीस्ट मल्टी कैप में ये जो मतलब कहते ही है और होता भी है कि 25%, 25%, 25% मिनिमम तो यहाँ पे होगा ही. फ्लेक्सी कैप में ऐसे हो सकता है, मतलब आई मीन वी कैन से इट मे हैपन कि 100% स्मॉल कैप में हो या 100% लार्ज कैप में हो, कोई भी मार्केट कैप में हो, या मे बी मिनिस्कुल छोटा सा पोर्शन कोई भी मार्केट कैप में हो. दैट काइंड ऑफ अ डिस्क्रिप्शन इज अवेलेबल टू द फंड मैनेजर.
श्योर.
मल्टी कैप में वो डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं है. मल्टी कैप आई फील दैट इट इज लिटिल मोर डिसिप्लिन प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम मार्केट कैप कैटेगरी वाइज. हमारा ये 14th प्रोडक्ट है. In from the time we have started launching funds in October 2025 last year, we are just in 10th month and we have 14 products
हम्म.
including
हम्म.
the SIFs and gold ETFs and FOF.
हम्म.
So what I mean, that is what it is important for an investor to understand. And investor को जो मतलब ये discipline is a kind of a overarching factor for the multi-cap strategy.
अपर्णा जी, सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मल्टी कैप फंड, इसी से एक रिलेटिव रिलेटेड मिला जुला सवाल है कि आजकल काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि किसी लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर को कुछ अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा तो एक मल्टी कैप फंड में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दीजिए, राइट. तो मल्टी कैप फंड धीरे धीरे काफी पॉपुलर हो रही है एज अ कैटेगरी, राइट. तो व्हाई डू यू बिलीव दैट मल्टी कैप कैटेगरी इज बिकमिंग एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कैटेगरी, नॉट ओनली फॉर फंड हाउसेस टू हैव, क्योंकि आप लोग भी अपने एनएफओ लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर एन इन्वेस्टर टू हैव इन इस पोर्टफोलियो जिसको लॉन्ग टर्म की इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है, बिकॉज ये कैटेगरी सडनली पिछले कुछ 1.5 साल से काफी इसने स्पीड पकड़ी है.
हम्म. क्योंकि एक तो जैसे मैंने कहा कि फ्लेक्सी कैप के बारे में है, इन्वेस्टर्स दो मे बी द ओल्डर फंड्स विच आई हैड वी हैव इन द अवेलेबल फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट, उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है इन्वेस्टर के लिए शायद थोड़ा आउटकम वाज डिफरेंट देन देयर
हम्म.
एक्सपेक्टेशन.
हम्म.
देयर इज काइंड ऑफ सम गैप बिटवीन दैट.
हम्म.
maybe because of how the funds, FlexiCap funds were positioned and all that stuff, but we'll not go into that. Why multi-cap? If you look at India as a nation also, the growth, the, kind of the contribution to the GDP is becoming more broader. It is
हम्म
coming from very different segments, and it is coming, मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि एक के बाद एक ये सेक्टर्स चल रहे हैं। ये है
हम्म
कि बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स जो है वो साथ में ग्रो हो रहे हैं, सो द होल अपॉर्चुनिटी of
हम्म
growth has become wider,
यस
more deeper, and more diverse. I think that is where the multi-cap का जो क्या बोलते हैं core जो है वहां से आता है। और what we have seen, I mean, what we have seen is that even the leadership keeps changing. अगर
हम्म
पिछले 20, 25, 30 साल का अगर ग्राफ देखा जाए इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में, सो इट इज दैट 1-2 years लार्ज कैप हैज डन डिलीवर्ड मच बेटर परफॉर्मेंस दैन द मिड कैप एंड स्मॉल कैप,
हम्म
and then there is a churn, and then there is, mid cap has done better, and then the small cap has done better, and again then the large cap has become,
हम्म
has delivered better returns. So
हम्म
this is becoming more cyclical, more diverse, and I think that is why investors have also started understanding कि अगर मतलब अच्छा अगर रिटर्न आना चाहिए तो शायद we have to put our eggs in different baskets also, so it's not
Absolutely.
restricting to इन्वेस्टर दैट की लार्ज कैप में एक्सपोजर ज्यादा हो या मिड कैप में
हम्म
ज्यादा हो, कंपल्सरीली आप ये सारे बास्केट्स में रखो। मैं एक एनालॉजी हाँ ज्यादातर यूज करती हूँ, अभी क्रिकेट तो बहुत बात करते हैं तो हम लोग क्रिकेट के बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं, सो आई व्हाट एनालॉजी आई यूज इज दैट इट्स लाइक प्राइमरी स्कूलिंग,
हाँ
what you need when you need a strong foundation, what a curriculum offers you. We have to learn maths also, we have to learn sciences also, and we also have to learn languages, and
एब्सोल्युटली
that's how a personality develops, that is the
हम्म
strong foundation we have in a primary school. अभी
यस
आगे ग्रेजुएशन के बाद या वहां पे जाके आप इलेक्टिव्स चूज करते हो कि मुझे फ्लेक्सी गैप में जाना है, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है, तो मुझे मैथ्स चाहिए या फिजिक्स चाहिए, जो भी चाहिए। बट जो बेस जो है वो स्ट्रांग होने के लिए यू नीड ऑल दीज 3-4 ingredients which are वेरी कोर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी क्रूशियल। आई थिंक
करेक्ट
अगर नेशन अगर वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो नेशन इफ इट इज गोइंग इन अ मोर डाइवर्स वे, आई थिंक देन इट इज इट्स अ बेटर डिसीजन टू इन्वेस्ट अक्रॉस द मार्केट कैप्स, क्योंकि वो मिनिमम जब भी मार्केट कैप उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट आप करते हो, देन दैट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज दैट वी आर लुकिंग एट अ बेटर स्टॉक्स फ्रॉम दैट मार्केट कैप। इट्स नॉट दैट कि सिर्फ स्मॉल कैप में से ही 20, 25, 30 स्टॉक्स हम लोग इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बट देन दैट कैटेगरी इटसेल्फ हैज its own challenges, I can say. So I
यस
think that's why this could be the reasons why the funds are also performing better, and even the investors experience is better.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड हो क्या रहा है कि एक बड़े डिसिप्लिन तरीके से
Hmm.
25%, 25%, 25% एंड बैलेंस 25 पे जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी फंड
Hmm.
मैनेजर को मिलती है, तो
Hmm.
एक क्लाइंट बड़ी ब्रॉडर मार्केट में
Hmm.
पार्टिसिपेट कर पाता है फॉर अ लॉन्गर टर्म पीरियड। और आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि अभी क्या हो रहा है कि लीडर्स आर रोटेटिंग, मार्केट भी
Hmm.
इतना हमारा डेवलप हो रहा है अभी, राइट?
Hmm.
कि अगर आप एनएससी 500 को भी देखें तो
Hmm.
उसमें तकरीबन इफाइड 21 से 22-23 इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर्स कवर करते हैं,
Hmm.
करेक्ट? सो इट इज एक्चुअली इवन गोइंग लिटिल बियॉन्ड इन द एनएससी 500
Correct.
इन अ वे एंड
And
हाँ
correct. So when you move away from the large cap category,
हम्म
the diversification is better. मतलब लार्ज कैप
एब्सोल्युटली
में ऐसे हो रहा है कि लार्जेस्ट वेट इज अ फाइनेंशियल्स, सो ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 30-32% ऑफ दैट कैटेगरी वेट इज इनटू फाइनेंशियल्स। सो
जी जी
जो बाकी के सेक्टर्स के लिए जो ग्रो हो रहे हैं या कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं इंडियन जीडीपी के लिए, वहां पे आपका एक्सपोजर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है। व्हेन यू मूव दैट टू मिड कैप एंड स्मॉल कैप कैटेगरी,
हम्म
that diversification or that tilt towards a heavy weight sector comes down. So in
हम्म
I think mid cap and small cap you have around 19-20% into financials,
हम्म
and that leaves a more scope for other sectors also to be part of the whole index or the
करेक्ट।
category.
बिल्कुल सही। तो जब भी हम द वेल्थ कंपनी मल्टी कैप फंड के न्यू फंड ऑफर के बारे में बात करें, तो आपने कोई मिनिमम गेट्स डाले हैं अपने सेक्टर्स पे एक्सपोजर रखने के लिए, या कोई स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक थोड़ा फंड मैनेजमेंट स्टाइल के बारे में बताएंगे, दैट हाउ
Correct.
योर मल्टी कैप फंड इज गोइंग टू बी मैनेज, मैडम?
Correct. So rather than following kind of a static strategy by saying that okay we are going to follow the growth or value or momentum kind of style of investment, we always believe that we have need to have a blend because we strongly believe that where there is a growth, you need to look at, you can't be blind to the valuations. You have to be cognizant about at what valuations you are entering that stock for you to make a reasonably better returns.
हम्म।
सो अगर ग्रोथ आप जहां देख रहे हो वहां पे आप वैल्यू भी देख रहे हो, और जहां पे वैल्यू है वहां से अगर वो स्टॉक बेटर परफॉर्म करना चाहिए तो वहां से उसको ग्रो भी होना चाहिए. सो एट
हम्म।
वैल्यू ऑल्सो यू नीड टू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ अ ग्रोथ. So it's always a blend between growth and value is what we see that. Beyond that, what we how we are different is that we at a sectoral level we have divided the sectors into strategic sectors and tactical sectors.
हम्म।
Strategic sectors, वहां पे हमारा पोजिशनिंग हमेशा रहेगा. So
हम्म।
there are
हम्म।
some sectors which are strategic in our view.
हम्म।
There we will be have a stock representation always. There will be some sectors which are tactical in nature. Like जैसे अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दूँ, ऑयल एंड गैस है, या
हम्म।
अभी जो फेवरेट सेक्टर जो था
हम्म।
अभी जो टैक्टिकल हुआ है वो आईटी एंड आईटीएस, दो सर्विसेज, and even consumer or consumption is also little seasonal. So
हम्म।
if you have to,
हम्म।
you have to be having that blend of entering and exiting a
हम्म।
stock at a right price is what is required. So these are the sectors which are tactical in our view.
हम्म।
So we may have a stock in those from those sectors or may not have. But the kind of heavy electrical equipments, or maybe renewable energy, or maybe now I can talk about defense ancillaries is
हम्म।
another sector which we feel are this falls into a strategic sector. So we will have a stock or a company which is representing that sector always. So broadly, that will be the way of looking at the whole universe and investment style. We also believe we will try, because value at GARP is and reasonable price. I think it's a perspective what how you look at it, whether
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
is costly or richly valued or at elevated valuations,
हम्म।
and then you have to go down the down the line and then see where you find the value is a skill and an art itself. So we will have we are cognizant about the valuations. We are not blind to the valuations, but we believe that India is becoming, it's a long term story. We believe in that, and that's why if there is something which is at little elevated valuation, we will not hesitate to invest because we are looking at a long term growth for that company or a stock.
श्योर श्योर। तो तकरीबन 70 से 100 stocks is what we can expect in this portfolio once you get to create this?
I think optimal diversification, I think, ends around 50-55 number of
अच्छा,
stocks. So we
55।
have been talking about it. So I think all our funds have that 40 to 50 number of stocks. Because then if you have 70 plus stocks, one is that active size or active your position in that stock becomes lower. So if that stock even doubles in maybe 2 years or something like that, the contribution of that stock's performance to the fund performance, it's compromised or
श्योर।
marginal. So if you feel that the stock is going to do well, you should have a higher active weight in that stock so that it properly contributes to your fund performance is what we believe. So that's
श्योर।
why the 40 to 50 number of stock is the
Is what is the right
ideal,
size?
yeah, ideal, optimally diversified style of investment.
Sure, sure, sure. Uh, Aparna ji, since आपके साथ आज बात हो रही है। वैल्यूएशंस के बारे में आपने मेंशन तो किया था, बट आर यू जनरली कंफर्टेबल विद द वे द मार्केट्स आर वैल्यूड करंटली, राइट?
Mhm.
एंड डू यू सी एनी इमीडिएट रिस्क्स और रिवॉर्ड्स, राइट, कमिंग अप इन द मार्केट्स इन द नेक्स्ट, लेट्स से 2 years? और आपका क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है इसके बारे में?
So valuation, I would not say it's, actually mouth watering, or, you just run and then invest anywhere and you can, generate better returns. That's not the case. Valuation, but again, what we have to see is that from here onwards, what is the kind of expectation or earnings growth what we are expecting, how the country is going to grow, and what are the different asset classes which are available for you to invest into. I think this is all relative, and if one asset class is generating better returns at a higher valuation also, then I think there is a case for you to invest more in that asset class. So what are the competitive asset classes? Real estate hai, fixed income hai. I think these are not the asset classes which are generating that kind of a return. Again, equity is what we have to see for a longer period of time, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आते तो है मतलब long term in vision लेके, but then in 2-3 months or maybe 6 months you start feeling jittery and then keep asking questions about whether should I exit from this scheme and invest into some other fund. This fund is not performing well, or this kind of questions. You need to give that kind of a time for that fund to, or for that investment to give you yield the results for you.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
what we have been talking about is nowadays is that you an investor need to attach a goal, or he or she should invest for a go achieving a goal.
Hmm.
So if the goal is to be achieved over longer period of time, like 5 to 7 years, kind of, or plus, then you need to invest over those many steps and try and complete the journey till then. If the goal is needs to be achieved in next 2 to 3 years, you have to evaluate what asset class you have to invest, and
Hmm.
accordingly you take those steps and complete the journey. So completing the journey is important. The
Hmm.
journey
Hmm.
can
Hmm.
be short, medium, or long.
श्योर श्योर। तो वैल्यूएशन मतलब कि अभी आपको लग रहा है कि थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव साइड पे है, द वे द इंडियन
But
मार्केट्स
when
आर?
you say expensive side पे, that means we are talking about that index level. पर अगर
हम्म।
index level में भी अगर आप देखिए, आप large cap की बात करते हैं, financials की बात करते हैं, that one bank or maybe 2-3 banks are trading at much higher valuations, much higher than a large cap bank valuations. While the growth trajectory is similar, maybe there is a marginal difference in the growth trajectory, but then there is a you need to identify those kind of stocks where you feel that okay, this mean reversion will happen or these valuations will converge and then it will flow upwards. Is
श्योर।
That's why I mentioned said ki it is more about the market is more about bottom up stock selection. It
यस।
is stock selectors universe, a market, than the just entering at a doing investing at a broader index level.
Absolutely. The magic is not about making an investment decision. The magic is about making an investment decision, then cutting the noises which you hear in the market and being disciplined.
And it's not a magic, it's a discipline.
Absolutely. At the end
So,
of the day, that's all it matters.
yeah. So SIP should be as, frequent and as important and as a habit as you are
Yes,
brushing your teeth.
yes.
Unfortunately, we don't have it on Saturday and Sunday, but I would prefer it to have it on
I know, आप
Saturday
बिल्कुल
and
ठीक कह
Sunday
रहे हैं,
also.
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं. So, through this in conversation, Aparna ji, what message would you like to give to all the viewers listening to you about your the wealth company multi-cap fund NFO? Number one. Number two, why should advisors, distributors, investors consider investing in the wealth company multi-cap fund NFO as well?
Correct. So let me address it at a broader level first. Money, this industry is about you are giving your money to be invested to somebody else so
Hmm.
that that person helps you to generate wealth. Okay, so you need a confidence and you need to be confident, or maybe you should have that faith that this team is capable of doing that. And now, how do you have that, faith? Is that you look at the whether the team has a capability, whether the team has a reasonable or good, long experience, or have
Hmm.
they do they have the experience in a similar domain, or are have they seen multiple cycles which have upwards and downwards, both up and down cycles, and have survived and done their job well. So I think our team at the Wealth Company Mutual Fund, we at least we passed this first taste, that we have a team which is everybody is a domain expertise, and
Hmm.
everybody has experience in their own domain for at least minimum 20, 10 to 15, 20 years of an experience.
मैं आपको इस सवाल यहाँ पे एक पूछना चाहूंगा कि जैसे आपने 10 से 20 साल बोला, तो कलेक्टिवली व्हाट विल बी द कलेक्टिव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द एंटायर इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट टीम? आई थिंक
It
बहुत
could
इंटरेस्टिंग
be
जवाब आने वाला है.
it could be at least 3 centuries.
Oh my goodness, yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah. I mean,
वही
depending
मेरे को लग रहा
upon
था कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग
uh,
जवाब आने वाला है. See,
yeah. So
this is
I'm in a
this is
mutual
what
fund
matters the
industry.
most. This is what matters the most. आज के दिनों में क्या है
Correct.
कि इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट कि एक नया फंड आ रहा है. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि उस फंड को किस इंस्टीट्यूशन ने मैनेज करना है, और वो इंस्टीट्यूशन कितना एक्सपीरियंस लेके आ रहा है इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजमेंट पे ऑन द टेबल.
So do you have a capability and do you have a capacity is what I am
Absolutely.
looking at. And
Yeah.
I think both these things are available, I mean, abundantly available with the Wealth Company Mutual Fund.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
The founder Madhu Lunawat herself is a, kind of a veteran, and she
Hmm.
has been doing phenomenal job in this industry also, though she's new to this industry, but she has been coming from a AIF background, and she is kind of a person who goes under the hood and works. So I think
Absolutely.
that is what is unique characteristic or of this AMC also.
Hmm.
Another thing is that, do we have enough products to serve the investors? I think we have a bouquet, and our endeavor has been to complete the whole bouquet, so that investor has a choice to invest, and whatever their needs are, we are able to satisfy those needs through different products. I mean, no other AMC has had this courage or maybe the speed to launch 14 products in just 10 months, and and then the funds are also doing well. It's not that funds are I mean, it's sometimes a fund will, ranking wise, it may be up or down, but that's not the thing. In a short term, you need to don't have to
Yeah,
look
yeah,
at
yeah.
that well. But what is the process, or what is the discipline with what the fund is being managed is more important. I
Absolutely.
think that kind of a confidence every investors have. We don't have to address this question nowadays, that whether the wealth company will able to manage our wealth or not. So that is beyond us. I think we have crossed that journey, and
Absolutely.
I think that was the most important thing what we had to address. And our processes and systems are our stars. We have not believed in any star fund manager. So I think that speaks a lot about it.
Absolutely. नहीं, बिल्कुल आप ठीक कह रहे हैं, because processes are much important, and the overall set of combined experience which the investment management team brings, and plus Madhuji's investment management experience herself, that itself speaks a lot about the house. And a multi-cap fund is a very important product to have in your equity product
Correct.
bouquet.
Hmm.
So obviously शुरुआत तो NFO से ही होगी.
Correct.
Correct. So fantastic. Wonderful. Wonderful. For our viewers, ये Miss Aparna Shankar ji हैं, CIO Equities with the Wealth Company Mutual Fund. The Wealth Company Mutual Fund has launched their new fund offer of the Wealth Company Multi Cap Fund on 27th August 2026 and closing on 10th September 2026. Aparna ji, thank you very much for joining and taking
Yeah,
through.
we look forward to your support, and
Always.
both over रखिएगा.
And
Thank you.
wishing you the very best for this NFO as well, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. And for our viewers, would request you to please press that subscribe button so that you continue getting these wonderful updates from Advisor Coach YouTube channel. Thank you, Badri. Thank you very much for joining.